Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete videos from your YouTube account. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, come to YouTube, and of course be logged in. Once you're logged into your account, what we're going to be doing is come up to your profile icon on the top right. We're going to be clicking this open, and from here we're going to be clicking and searching for the YouTube Studio option right here. Once this opens up, we're going to be brought to our YouTube dashboard. From this point, what we're going to be doing is coming to the left panel here, and we're going to be looking for the videos tab that shows up here on the left. Once we select this, we will see a list of all previously uploaded videos to our YouTube account. So from this point, what you need to do is go through this list and find whatever video you would like to delete. So in my case, I have this old video right here that I'm going to be using as an example in today's video that I want to delete. Once you're happy and you've found the video, there's two ways to delete it. One is on the overview here. We can simply click on the three dots option right here, click delete forever, and then we will get this pop-up where we can confirm here, and then we can click delete forever. Now from this point, if you would also like to make a backup before deleting, you can really easily download it here on the left. Otherwise, our second option is to actually go in and view the details of this video. We can do this by simply clicking the thumbnail right here. Our video details will load up here. We can see some extra information. To delete this, what we can do is come up to the top right next to our save button, click on the options tab right here. We will again have a delete option right here. If we select this, we will get the same pop-up as before. Simply click I understand that deleting this video is permanent and cannot be undone. Simply check this. Once you're happy and you've confirmed everything is correct, click delete forever, and then your video will be removed from YouTube and you'll no longer have to worry about it being on your account. This will work for videos that are live, unlisted, private, or anything else you have on your channel. So you simply follow this process and you'll be able to delete videos from your YouTube accounts. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.